Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and this is the channel where I went to business school so you didn't need to, and today we are talking about the best rapidly growing stocks to buy right now. For more videos just like this one, go ahead and annihilate that like button right now, comment your thoughts down below. Don't forget to become a member of this channel for as little as 99 cents so I can continuously make these amazing videos for you. Subscribe if you are new, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. We're going to start off with Arcturus Therapeutics Holding Inc., ticker symbol ARCT, to where this company currently trades at just $25, but it could surge up to $140 over the next 12 months. This is an RNA medicines biotechnology firm that has been growing extremely rapidly lately. Literally, since the beginning of the year, the company's shares have gained over 50%. But why is that? The reason they're on this list as one of the best and fastest growing growth stocks right now to buy is because their revenue in the fourth quarter of 2022 increased by a whopping 2,663% year over year, to where now it reached up to $160.29 million, which crush estimates because they were only supposed to bring in around $79.77 million. So this company is rapidly growing and expanding, which should catapult their share price even higher than it is right now, trading at just $25. Even Kathy Wood of ARK Investment Management, or ARK Invest, has recently bought up this company, and she owns around $34 million worth of ARCT shares. But trust me, we have so many other great companies on this list. Up next, we have BeiGene Ltd, ticker symbol BGNE, to where it currently trades for just $263 per share, while experts believe it could surge up to $400 by the end of the year. This is another biotechnology company that focuses on cancer treatments. They posted fourth quarter results which were very impressive, in which their revenues grew and increased by around 77% year over year, up to $380.1 million. Now, I do want to say that they missed their consensus estimate by around $8.07 million, but still, the fact that they grew their revenue on a year over year basis by 77% clearly indicates that this is a rapidly growing growth company and investors should pay attention. Up next, we have ticker symbol ZYME, and this is another biotechnology firm that had an amazing fourth quarter in 2022, and it looks like 2023 is going to be a phenomenal year for them. This company saw a 1,925% increase in their revenues on a year-over-year basis, while their generally accepted accounting principles earnings per share, or GAAP EPS, came in at $4.60, absolutely decimating estimates because they were only supposed to bring in $2.16. So this company is rapidly growing, very impressive, and their current share price is trading at only $8. But the best part is that professionals believe this company could explode upwards of $18 or higher over the next year, making this company one of the best companies to buy right now on the stock market. Next up, we have Cloudflare Inc., ticker symbol NET. And Cloudflare is a global cloud services provider that delivers a range of services to a multitude of various businesses. This company saw a 41.9% year-over-year increase in their revenues and sales during the fourth quarter of 2022. And there is also huge upside potential left in this company. Right now, the current share price is $42, but there is plenty of upside and growth potential left into this company because many analysts believe this company should be worth around $82, especially over the next 12 months. Cloudflare has seen a huge increase in the overall demand for their cloud services from both small and large companies. On top of that, it was also reported how Cloudflare's services are being used by OpenAI and ChatGPT, making this company extremely mainstream. Next up, we have Zscaler Inc., ticker symbol ZS. This company trades for $87, but their upside is huge to where they could be valued as high as $254 if they continue on their growth trajectory. This is a cloud security company, and they posted their fiscal second quarter results in March. Their revenues came in for the period around $387.6 million, which equates to a 51.7% year-over-year increase, which which is very aggressive growth, and that's exactly what we want to see for companies we are investing into. They also beat their estimates and projections from professionals by $22.82 million. The best part, though, is that in the third quarter and their next earnings report, experts believe this company should bring in between $396 million to $398 million worth of revenue, which indicates to us as investors that this company is going to be growing for a long time. Next up, we have another favorite of mine, which is Mercado Libre Inc., ticker symbol MELI, ticker name MELI. This company operates in a few segments, however, they are mainly known for their online marketplace, and they essentially operate as the Amazon of South America, and they are also into various fintech technology and another segment. The reason why this is on the list of the best stocks to buy now, which are rapidly growing, is because this company is rapidly growing. Their revenues surged by 41% up to $3 billion, crushing estimates, while leaving analysts speechless by bringing in $40 million more than what was previously projected. On top of that, they beat their earnings per share on a GAAP basis by bringing in $3.25, which is close to $1 more than what they were originally forecasted to bring in. Now, this company is quite expensive, coming in at $1,250 per share, but there is still huge upside potential in this company because the company could reach $1,770 by year end. And if this sounds like too much money for you, make sure you are using a brokerage which allows fractional shares or share slices, meaning you could invest into this company for as little as $1. Next up, we have another great company named Enphase Energy Inc., ticker symbol ENPH, which trades for $152, while experts believe this company is just getting started on their growth because the company could be trading as high as $341 over the next 12 months. This company clearly is an energy company which posted very impressive first quarter 2023 results. Their adjusted earnings per share for the period came in at $1.37, beating estimates by 15 cents per share. On the other hand, they brought in revenue for the quarter of $726.02 million, beating analysts' consensus forecasts by $5.51 million. So this is a very innovative company that has growth that it has yet to achieve. So just based on the potential of this company alone, it should at minimum be on a watch list. Up next, we have ticker symbol PDD or Pinduoduo, which is a multinational commerce company that owns and operates a wide and diverse portfolio of various businesses. Ticker symbol PDD currently trades for only $64. However, many professionals, experts, and analysts believe the company is undervalued right now to where it should be trading at well over $100, and some even believe it's worth $135. The company posted very good Q4 2022 results to where the revenue for that period came in at a growth rate of 46% year over year to where they reached $5.77 billion. And for a company bringing in billions of dollars worth of revenue, for them to grow at 46% or even above a 30% CAGR in regards to their sales and revenue, this is extremely amazing. So clearly there is future growth potential left in this company. Next up, we have a Crowdstrike Holdings Inc., ticker symbol CRWD. This is a cybersecurity company that many investors really love. Right now, they're trading for just $116, while this company has the potential to reach $235 over the next year. The revenues also came in, according to their most recent earnings report, at $637.4 million, reflecting a 48% year-over-year growth rate, which is absolutely phenomenal. On top of that, they beat their estimates from analysts' consensus estimates by $10.56 million. On top of that, they also beat on their adjusted earnings per share, which came in at 47 cents, so they beat that estimate by 4 cents per share. Overall, this is a very good up-and-coming cybersecurity company, and as the world and the economy becomes more reliant on technology and digitalization, cybersecurity companies are going to be more fundamental than ever for the overall economy and other businesses. Next up, we have a Booking Holdings, ticker symbol BKNG, which trades for $2,700, but many believe this company has yet to achieve their full growth destiny because they could reach $3,500 over the next 12 months. Booking Holdings is an online hotel booking platform, and they also posted very impressive fourth quarter results. Their revenue increased by 35.9% year over year to reach $4.05 billion, beating estimates, listen to this, by a whole $150 million. Their adjusted earnings per share, or EPS, also came in at $24.74, beating estimates by a whole $2.66 per share. This is absolutely mind-blowing. Literally every single company on this list blows my mind for how impressive their financials have been. In our number 2 spot, we have Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, and this is an electric vehicle company which also specializes in energy storage as well as energy generation. Despite several headwinds that have hit Tesla recently, which has caused their share price to be quite volatile, they're trading at a strong $160. Many 5-star analysts and experts believe this company could surge up to $280 by the end of the year, or at minimum over the next year. They are a very high growth stock, and I would encourage people to look further into this company because the upside potential for Tesla is insane. The company's revenue only jumped by around 24.2% year over year. However, for a company that brought in $23.3 billion, these are mind-blowing growth numbers for a company this big. This is another company which ARK Investment Management, or ARK Invest, loves to buy up, and that's why Cathie Wood of ARK Invest loves to purchase TSLA shares. She even has a price target on this company that goes up to $2,000. So imagine buying this company now at $160 to where the next few years the company could be worth $2,000 according to Cathie Wood. And that's why Tesla is on this list. Last but not least, let's talk about Uber Technologies, ticker symbol UBER, ticker name Uber. Uber essentially at its core is a technology company, but they're most known for their robo-taxis, their taxi driving rideshare services, as well as their food delivery services. Uber continues to grow to where right now they're trading at merely $35, but over the next year they could attain a $75 share price, which is very impressive. They also brought in very impressive financial results for the fourth quarter of 2022, where their revenue jumped almost 50% year over year to reach $8.6 billion, crushing analyst estimates by $90 million. On top of that, they also brought in GAAP earnings per share, or EPS, of 29 cents per share, beating estimates by, listen to this, 45 cents, making this one of the best companies to buy on this list. Honestly, every single company on this list could be in your portfolio depending on your own risk tolerance and your own investment variables. I personally plan to buy each of these companies over the next year. However, with that being said, I'd love to hear your thoughts on these amazing growth companies. Don't forget to go and annihilate that like button. Comment down below which of these companies you already own or plan to buy over the next 12 months. Subscribe if you are new. Don't forget to become a member for more videos just like this one, and I will see you in the next YT video.